they come by, just to observe the wildlife interacting.
$7. So $7 in, I want D2.
Yeah, the one to the back. Like not the first one up, but the second.
There you go. It's a Cassius coin taped to a business.
Roger Ver must have been up there. Cassius, as he said, nowadays sell for insane prices. If you have a loaded Cassius coin, they are going to sell for way more than what's loaded on it. You know, more than double, more than triple, more than quad. Even spent coins are very, very expensive. I checked out their website today. This guy is still selling them for 0.5 and 1 BTC, not loaded. Crazy.